The defense tries to run out the clock without letting the offense score in this game called perfect possession. Use a half court. Here's how it looks. Divide players into 2 equal teams of 3, 4, or 5. 1 on offense, 1 on defense. Use a stopwatch or keep time in your head to set a 30-second shot clock. Play starts when the team on defense checks the ball to the team on offense. The offense's goal is to score. The defense's goal is to play a perfect possession and let the shot clock hit 0 before the offense scores or gets a rebound.
2, 1, good.
Reset the shot clock every time the offense hits a shot or grabs a board. Perfection isn't easy, and the defense might get frustrated as the shot clock keeps resetting.
Good, clock resets.
Encourage them to embrace the challenge and learn from past mistakes to strategize
1.
and lock it down.
Grab it. Good, Black. Good, Black, good.